Okay, so one of the things that we ask for early on is about effluent maintenance. What do you do with other disposable, the waste? And the first thing we'll ask everyone is to build what is a containment area. It's more of a staging. So the containment is basically a scaffold been directly beneath the convection box, out of scaffold and boards, and then it's lined with plastic. So it creates a barrier between the convection and the radiant areas. And it also means that we collect all of the effluent into this area. And if you design it correctly, and we have several designs that we can share, you can either have a version with a flat bottom, so it's fairly, you can pump it out basically. Or the ones that we prefer is the gravity style, where we have a slight slope, either internal, going to the middle or going to an end, V section, so it can drain out using gravity. They're usually the best ones because it saves any pumps getting blocked or sludged up.